You've seen them everywhere. 3-day cleanses, detox teas, miracle powders promising to flush toxins out of your liver. But here's the truth: your liver is already the ultimate detox machine. In this video, we're cutting through the hype and uncover what your liver really does, what damages it, and the everyday foods and habits that actually protect it. If you've ever felt tired, bloated, or confused about which detox works, you're not alone. Let's make it simple, science-backed, and practical. The unsung hero. Let's start with a number. Over 500. That's how many life-saving jobs your liver performs daily. Think of it like your body's multitasking CEO. It manages vitamins, balances hormones, produces bile for digestion, stores sugar for energy, and even helps your immune system fight off infections. And yes, it filters out toxins too, but that's just one of its many responsibilities. To keep it healthy, we need to treat it like the vital organ. It is not something that can be reset with a tea bag. When your liver works smoothly, you'll notice more energy, fewer digestive issues, clearer skin, and even a lighter mood. It's that powerful. Why it matters? Here's the scary part. When the liver starts struggling, the ripple effects are huge. Fatigue, brain fog, bloating, itchy skin, even mood changes, these can all be early signs. And if ignored, they can lead to fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, or even cancer. So yeah, liver health isn't optional, it's the foundation for your energy, digestion, and long-term wellness. The detox dilemma. So why are detox products everywhere if the liver already detoxes? Because the promise is tempting. Who doesn't want to erase years of bad eating or alcohol in just 3 days? But the truth is harsh. Major medical centers confirm there's zero evidence that liver detox products cleanse or repair the liver. In fact, some supplements sold as detox aids have been linked to liver injury. Instead of buying into quick fixes, shift your focus to building daily habits that give your liver the conditions to thrive, because real detox isn't about what you buy, it's about what you do consistently. This mindset shift frees you from wasting money on gimmicks and helps you finally take control of your health long term. If you're ready to give your liver the protection it deserves and unlock more natural energy, hit subscribe. Every week, we share science-backed health hacks you can actually trust. No gimmicks, just real results. The real enemy. Oxidative stress. Here's the real villain your liver faces every single day. Oxidative stress. Imagine leaving metal out in the rain until it rusts. That's what oxidative stress does inside your body. Everyday exposures, processed food, alcohol, pollution, even stress create unstable molecules called free radicals. Over time, these molecular bullies attack and damage your liver cells. The antidote? Antioxidants. They're your body's natural rust fighters. And here's the good news. You don't need an expensive supplement, they're in everyday foods. Specific foods. Coffee. Surprisingly protective studies showed 2 to 3 cups a day lower risk of liver disease. Green tea. Packed with catechins that calm inflammation. Berries and grapes. Anthocyanins that shield cells from oxidative damage. Grapefruit. Naringenin compounds proven to protect liver cells. Beetroot juice. Rich in betalains for cellular defense. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Cruciferous powerhouses that actually boost detox enzymes. Nuts and fatty fish. Full of omega-3s and vitamin E to reduce fat buildup. Olive oil. Improves liver enzyme levels. Lemon water. Not a magic cleanse, but it does gently stimulate detox enzymes. Adding these foods regularly creates a natural shield for your liver, helping it repair itself and work more efficiently. What to cut back on and lifestyle equation. Of course, knowing the heroes is only half the battle. You also need to avoid the villains. Sugar and alcohol are the biggest offenders. The liver converts excess sugar into fat, leading to fatty liver disease. Processed and fried foods loaded with trans fats make it worse. Even dried fruits can act like sugar bombs that overload the liver with fructose. Swap sodas and juices for water or green tea. Choose whole foods instead of packaged snacks. Limit alcohol to no more than 1 drink per day for women, less if possible. Pair food changes with daily movement, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and stress management. Cutting back here does more to restore your liver than any detox ever could, and the difference shows up in your energy, digestion, and even mood within weeks. Herbs and natural allies. What about herbs? Do they live up to the hype? Some herbs truly do support liver health, but they're not miracle cures. Milk thistle, silymarin, may reduce inflammation and support regeneration. Turmeric, curcumin, a strong anti-inflammatory that supports detox pathways. Dandelion root, stimulates bile for better digestion. Artichoke, protects liver cells. Ayurvedic herbs like punarnava and guduchi, traditionally used for liver support. Important note: supplements aren't well regulated, so always check with your doctor before use. Used wisely, these herbs can be helpful allies, but they work best alongside diet and lifestyle changes, not in place of them. The fatty liver epidemic and autophagy advantage. Right now, one of the fastest growing health problems worldwide is fatty liver disease, now called MASLD. It often develops silently, with sugar and processed foods as the main culprits. Left unchecked, it can lead to cirrhosis or cancer. The good news? Cut out sugary drinks. Prioritize protein to reduce cravings. Choose whole foods over refined carbs. Move your body daily. Stimulate autophagy, your body's built-in cellular recycling system, through 12-hour overnight fasts, quality sleep, and exercise. The good news? Fatty liver is often reversible. Within weeks of making these changes, your liver can begin to repair itself. So here's the bottom line: your liver is already a detox machine. It doesn't need a cleanse or an expensive supplement. What it needs is consistency, nutrient-rich foods, smart lifestyle choices, and protection from daily harm. This week, try one simple change. Swap soda for lemon water, add broccoli to dinner, or commit to a 12-hour overnight fast. Small steps make a huge difference. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which liver-friendly habit are you starting this week? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural health strategies. And before you go, check out the next video on 7 natural digestion fixes. Because when your gut and liver work together, your entire body thrives.